Hello students, welcome to your online social class. Subject Social, Grade 4, Unit 3, Right and Duties of Children. Hi dears, how are you? Hope you are fine and safe. In the today's class, we are going to start Unit 3, Rights and Duties of Children. Are you ready dears? Yes. This lesson starts with conversation between Ramesh and his mom about some rules he learnt in his class. He learnt so many rules that he should follow in class. The first rule he learnt in his classes: we should not change our seats in the middle of the class time in school as it would disturb others. What do you think, dears? Is it important to follow rules in class? Yes, we should follow the rules in class because rules are made so that the class can work together properly without disturbing others. There are some rules that all citizens of the country have to follow. Citizen. Who is a citizen, ma? What does the word citizen mean? Citizen. C-I-T-I-Z-E-N. Citizen. Citizen is a person who is a member of a country. Again, I am repeating. Citizen is a person who is a member of a country. A citizen enjoys the rights given to him or her by the country. Is it clear, dears? Next, who set these rules for citizens? The Constitution of India sets these rules. Constitution. C-O-N-S-T-I-T-U-T-I-O-N. Again, I am repeating. C-O-N-S-T-I-T-U-T-I-O-N. Constitutions. The set of rules of a country is known as constitution. The set of rules of a country is known as constitution. The constitutions lays down certain rules to help the country work together smoothly. Do you know, dears? The Indian Constitution is the lengthiest constitution of the world. The original document was handwritten. If we follow the rules, we will become very responsible. It helps all people to be responsible citizens of a country. Do you know, dears, if a foreigner stays in India for 12 years, they can get Indian citizenship. The next topic is child rights. All over the world, there are different policies and rights. Children have certain rights to ensure that every child is treated the same. These are practiced to create a healthy environment for the children to live in. Let us see about child rights. Do children have any rights? Yes. All over the world, there are many countries which have agreed to make some basic rights for children. Our country, India, is one of them. Okay. The four major child rights are right to survival, right to development, right to production, right to participation. Again repeating, right to survival, right to development, right to production, right to participation. And the first one is right to survival. It is to ensure every child has access to minimum standards of food. This helps in healthy growth in all children. There are different rights for children below the age of 6 and between the age of 6 to 14 years. This is because both the age group have different needs for their growth and development. Again, I am repeating, there are different rights for children below the age of 6 and between the age of 6 to 14 years. Have you heard about the WASH program, dears? The WASH program is also part of it. WASH. What happens in that program? WASH stands for water, sanitation and hygiene. Again repeating, WASH stands for water, sanitation and hygiene. It means that should be access to clean water for drinking and other needs. There are many diseases that spread through water. To avoid this, having access to safe water is important. We should wash our hands before and after food. Spreading awareness to washing hands with soap is also part of the WASH program. Do you know, dears, polio drops is also a part of right of survival. Have you heard about the polio drops? The children below age 5 getting some drops of medicine is a polio drops. There are many vaccines and drops which are given to children to protect them from certain diseases. Are you clear about right to survival? Next one is right to development. Every child has the right to go to school and develop life skills. And do you know, coming to school is your right. No one can stop you from getting admission in a government school. All the children below 14 years have the right to go to school. The government is responsible to providing free education to all. What do you see in this picture, ma? Children are involved in different works at different places. This is called child labor. This is illegal to force children below the age of 14 to work. What should we do if we see children working as child labor around us? Yes, we should call the child line number 1098. Again repeating, call the child line number 1098. Can we call this number at any time? Yes, we can call at any time. It is free of cost. If you see a child labor, talk to him or her first. If they are forced to do the job, we can call the number and inform. They will come and help the child. In the today's class, we discussed about citizen, constitution, right to survival and right to development. In the next class, we are going to discuss about right to production and right to participation. We come to end of our class. Homework time. Homework for the day is read book page number 127 to 132. Again repeating, read book page number 127 to 132. Stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.